Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk through how to set up a client engagement. So basically, a client engagement is for any recurring fixed fee work you do for a client. So think about something like bookkeeping. Instead of manually creating a billable item every single billing cycle, the system will automatically generate them for you at whatever interval you set. And you can set as many engagements as you need per client. So to add a client engagement, you're going to go into your client and then you're going to click on the billing tab. Within the billing tab, you will see a section called client engagements. And here you will click on add a client engagement. Now this model will pop up and you will just need to populate it as needed. So we're going to do a bookkeeping one, for example. So for bookkeeping, I'm just going to do a monthly and it's going to be set to every 1 month. If you have other type of engagements, you click on this and you have other options to choose from, as well as any advanced options to choose from if you set like weekly or annually. So let's go back to monthly. I'm going to do $20 for bookkeeping. I'm leaving this internal cost alone because I do not have one. Then I'm going to check bookkeeping and bookkeeping. For the next start date, this is when you want that client engagement to kick off. So bookkeeping is either the beginning of the month or the last day of the month. So for this one, I'm just going to do the last day. And the title will be the title that shows up on the invoice. So keep this as something that your client will recognize. So let's do monthly bookkeeping. And we're going to do a variable. For the scope of work, you will have a couple of options. So for all time and scope, this is any time that your staff logs, it gets lumped into this engagement. So it won't show up as a separate charge. For bookkeeping, I'm going to select time and scope for selected categories. So here, you're only pulling in time that's actually tied to this work. And then I'm going to select bookkeeping. Then you can add any notes that you need. This is internal. And then you're going to click save. So now on April 30th, this will automatically generate and become a billable item. And that way you could go and bill out your billable item. So let's pretend it is April 30th. I'm going to click view and then generate next. So now it's April 30th and I am ready to go and bill out this work for my client. I'm going to click on the billing dashboard there. And then I will just go to invoice and submit the invoice. Perfect. So if you want to see your clients that have client engagements, you can go to the view report on the ribbon on the left and then go to the client engagement management section under billing. Click on view. And you will see here all of your clients, the ones that do have client engagements and the ones that do not. If you want to filter out about the ones that do, you can just click on the search criteria and then click on exclude clients without engagement. This will show all the ones that do have engagements.